Okay, so in this example, I'm going to be attaching a shared storage or a shared drive to my Hyper-V domain controller. So one of the things that I've noticed is when I'm working inside and outside of my virtual machines, I'll typically see that I need to grab a file from my local desktop and move it to some shared folder within my domain. So in this particular instance, I'm going to be attaching a 20 gig hard drive to my domain controller that I can share within my virtual network. So first thing I'm going to do is open up computer management, go to manage computer, I'm going to go to disk management, and here, if you do not have one already, you will need to create a virtual drive. So you can create a VHD. I've already done that. The process is pretty simple. So you can select your location that you want your VHD to exist. This one I just created a VHD. I did not do a VHDX. I did a fixed size, so I just said 20 gig. Selected my location. It's my VHD file. It's 20 gig. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And so what I'm doing here is I'm actually going to put a file that I want to share within my domain, my virtual domain. So I've attached my file, my VHD, and you can see that it's online. So it's attached. So now what I will do is it gives me the option to, or excuse me, it opens up right away and it tells me that it's been attached. So what I was trying to install, or what I want to share, is this PBI Desktop x64. It's the Power BI desktop installation, Windows installer, excuse me. So on my local host, I have this available. So now I shared it into my file share. Now I've got to go in to my virtual machine and execute that in my server that I want to have that installed on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this disk offline, and I'm actually also going to detach it. So I've detached my shared drive. I'm going to go to my domain controller. I'm going to go to settings, right click settings, and I'm going to my SCSI controller, and I'm going to add a hard drive. So here it asks that it asks for your virtual hard drive. You can either create one or attach an existing one. So I'm going to go ahead and attach an existing one. Click OK. So now I'm going to go inside of my domain controller. And here you can see this 20 gig offline virtual disk. I want to go ahead and right click on that and bring online. And it says, hey, this has already been used on another server. Bringing this online can cause data loss. Are you sure you want to bring this online? And I say, yep, I already know. Yes. So now I go to my VM share, and voila, there it is.